Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to take care of the skin as we normally do. However, today we're going to focus on the darker areas on the skin. Most of us have, these areas a little darker, and some of this is like on the upper legs that is caused from, wearing tight pants, friction, the rubbing, and when it comes on to here, this is enclosed, okay? No ventilation, and because of that, dead skin cells form, so you need something to exfoliate to help it to be more clearer, and once the dead skin cells are gone, it cut down on that amount of pigmentation that you have there. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share this remedy that you can use to lighten, brighten, also get rid of odor. You can also use it on your upper legs in the crease right there and exfoliate that area, and it's going to lighten and brighten and get rid of the dead skin cells. You can also choose to use it on the back area right here. Just exfoliate, get rid of all that roughness, and leave just soft, smooth skin. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. Let's whip this up really, really quick so that you're on your way to getting the result you so desire. Now my first ingredient is petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly will help to lock the moisture in the skin, clear the skin of pigmentation, hydrates the skin, and leave the skin looking fresh and bright. I'm using a tablespoon of the petroleum jelly. Pour that in. And what I'm going to do with the petroleum jelly, I'm going to warm the petroleum jelly. So just keep stirring it until it gets nice and creamy. Keep stirring. Nice and creamy. Now once this is done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for my next ingredient. And my next ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda will help to lighten, brighten the skin, get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. I'm going to use a teaspoon of the baking soda. Pour this in. And now I'm going to mix the baking soda in the petroleum jelly. You can also choose to melt, but I like to mix it just the way I'm showing it here before melting. So totally blend the baking soda and the petroleum jelly together. Now once this is done, we are going to reach for some other oils. And my first oil is some grapeseed oil. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. Pour this in. And we're going to mix this in. Next, I'm going to reach for some soy oil. And you can use soy oil. Just use any oil you have. And I'm going to pour that in. And now I'm going to mix, and I'm going to mix well. We're mixing petroleum jelly and baking soda with some oils. Totally blend together. Now take a look. Here I have my final oil, which is some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to nourish and hydrates the skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add about 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil. And now we are going to blend it in our baking soda and our other oils. Now, so here in a bowl, we have soy oil, we have a little grapeseed oil, we have petroleum jelly, and we have some baking soda. Now once this is done, this is what you are going to use to exfoliate. If you look like it need a little bit more baking soda like this one, let me just go and add it to it. So we had the baking soda. And now this is ready to use. Now to use this, you want to do this in the shower. And remember, this do have petroleum jelly, so it's going to be a little greasy. So what you do, you take a generous amount, you place it on the area, and you are just going to massage it on the area. What you are doing is exfoliating the dead skin cell, but because of the ingredient, it's going to clear the dark area. So you exfoliate, just keep exfoliating. It's gonna brighten that area, and once that is done, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna rinse off. Basically, you're gonna go ahead and take your regular shower. Now, if you use this on a regular, you're on your way to clearing the darker areas. Not only that, this is also great to use to get rid of body odor, and it's also great to use for your armpit and even your dark neck. No need to store in the refrigerator. Store it on the countertop and use it as often. Before a week is out, guys, use it at least 2 to 3 times a week for lightening and brightening the darker area. You can clearly see how light and bright this is compared to this one that I didn't use it on. And there you have it, a simple remedy that you can use to lighten the darker areas on your body, your armpit, and even your upper leg area right there, and your buttocks. So guess what, guys? Go ahead, whip it up, use it. Don't forget to use it in your shower, and also don't forget that it could get a little greasy. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and your comments are always welcome. So go ahead, comment, comment, comment.